Good afternoon to all. I'm myself Preeti Shrivastava, Department of Mathematics in Sri Shankaracharya Mahavidyalaya Janwani. Today topic is linear differential equation in BSc first year paper calculus. Here is a contents introduction. What is linear differential equation? Its working rule and some example based on linear differential equation, Bernoulli's equation and change of variables. Let's start. What is linear differential equation? Linear differential equation is called linear if the dependent variable y and its derivative with respect to independent variable x occurs in the first degree only. There is no restriction of any kind on the occurrence of the independent variable x, that is y, and its derivative have coefficient either constant or any function of x. Here is a form of differential equation dy by dx plus py equals to q, where p and q are constant or any function of x, called linear differential equation of first order. Mark it equation 1. Equation 1 is called a standard form of linear differential equation of the first order. This is the theorem. To show that the general solution of linear differential equation dy by dx plus py is equal to q is y e to the power integration p dx equal to integration q e to the power integration p dx plus c. Here dy by dx plus py equals to q is original equation 1. Then we multiplied e to the power integration p dx both side. Then we get equation 2. This is the perfect differential equation. Then we may write as d by dx y e to the power integration p dx equal to q e to the power integration p dx. Mark it equation 3. Hence integration both side we get y e to the power integration p dx and equals to integration q e to the power integration p dx plus c. Mark it equation 4. Since expression 4 is free from any differential coefficient and it's known as the linear differential equation, that is called integrating factor if e to the power integration p dx. Working rule to solve: first, given equation is dy by dx plus py equals to q, then write down the integration factor e to the power p dx and evaluate it. And here the total format of solution: y e to the power integration p dx equals to q into e to the power integration p dx plus c, or it is also written as y into integrating factor is equal to q into integrating factor dx plus c. Here some example: x dy by dx minus 2y is equal to x square. The given equation can be written as dy by dx minus 2y by x equals to x. That is the form of dy by dx plus py equals to q. Then compare it, the value, find the value of p and value of q. We get p equals to minus 2 by x and q equals to x. Here integration p dx equals to minus 2 log x, that means minus log 1 log x square. Then integrating factor we calculate e to the power integration p dx, then we get 1 by x square clearly. Here we put in formula: y into integrating factor equals to q into integrating factor dx plus c. Then we put the all values of integrating factor and integrate the solution. Then we get solution y equal to x square log x plus cx square. Another example: 1 plus y square dx plus x minus tan inverse y dy equal to 0. Given equation written in this form because in whole equation x is power 1, then it is the form of dx upon dy. Then another example, above example, we see that this question: in form of dy by dx plus py equals to q, because here y is a power 1. Then in this question y is power 2 and y is including tan inverse y. Then we calculate not possible. Then we see that x is power 1. Then we convert in this form dx upon dy px equals to q. This is also a linear differential equation form. That means calculate p equal to 1 upon 1 plus y square, q equal to tan inverse y upon 1 plus y square. Then we calculate integrating factor e to the power p dy, e to the power tan inverse y. Then formula x into integrating factor equals to q into integrating factor dy plus c. We put in this equation and we calculate the solution and integrate. Here x tan inverse y equals to integration tan inverse y upon 1 plus y square e to the power tan inverse y dy plus c. Then let us suppose that t equal to tan inverse y. Then put this value t e to the power t dt plus c. Then integration first part and second part. Then we get tan inverse y t into e to the power t minus e to the power t plus c. Then we put the value of t. Here the solution x tan inverse y minus 1 plus c e to the power minus tan inverse y. Here is a Bernoulli equation, little bit different from the linear differential equation. It is differ from right hand side. In linear differential equation form is dy by dx plus py equal to q. Here Bernoulli's equation little changes, right hand side q into y to the power n. This is the form of Bernoulli equation. This is called a standard form of Bernoulli equation. Here the example, x dy by dx plus y equal to y square log x. Here y is a power 1 and another power in right hand side y square. Then we solve standard form dy by dx, then x divide both side. Then we get dy by dx plus 1 by x into y equal to log x by xy square, which is in Bernoulli equation. Then right hand side is y square, then this quantity divides whole equation. Then we divide y to the power minus 2, then above equation reduced to equation 1. Then we assume that 1 upon y is equal to u. Then differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get minus y square dy by dx equals to du by dx. Or dv by dx. Then we see that from equation 1, y square dy by dx is replaced by dv by dx. 1 by y is replaced by v. Then we get equation 2, dv by dx minus 1 by x dot u equals to minus log x by x. Then it shows that the linear differential equation form dy by dx plus py equals to q. Then we compare and calculate value of p and q. Then integrating factor we calculate e to the power p dx, integration p dx. We get 1 by x. Then put in formula v into integrating factor, integration q into integrating factor dx plus c. Then we calculate and integrate all the values. V into 1 by x, integration minus 1 by x, log x also multiplied 1 by x dx equals plus c. Then integrating and put the value of v, we get the solution 1 by x into y equal to 1 by x in bracket log x plus 1 plus cx. Next topic is change of variable. Sometimes a suitable substitution reduce a given differential equation which does not directly came under any the form of discussed so far one of these form. That means some variable are not in form linear differential equation or Bernoulli's equation, although there is no special technique to finding a suitable substitution to reduce an equation to one of the standard form discussed previously. Then following example, let's see. First solve dy dx equal to 4x plus y plus 1 whole square. Here dy by dx is depend upon 4x plus y plus 1. Then we consider 4x plus y plus 1 is equal to v. Then dy by dx equal to v square. That implies we differentiate 4 plus dy by dx equal to dv by dx, and we calculate the dy by dx. Then we put the value in question. Dy by dx minus 4 equal to v square. Then we separate and integrate the solution. Then 1 by 2 tan inverse v by 2 equal to x plus c. Then we put the value of v. 4x plus y plus 1 equal to 2 tan 2x plus c. This is the required solution. Then it's complete. Thank you so much.